Okay, we got a specialty grinder here, a closing. Here is your emergency stop, and here are your switch panels. This is for the grinder, the main grinder over there. And this is for your coolant pump. You can probably hear it underneath. You can't see it. You can hear it turn on and off. We don't have any coolant in right now. And here's your hydraulic pump. And then you can crank this back and forth, or you can pull the wheel out and make it go automatic. These two switches right here are your limit switches for back and forth. And here, you push that back in, it stops it again. These here are your dwell right and left, as how long it will stop before it comes back the other way. I've got it turned way down so it actually goes pretty quick. Doesn't hesitate long. If you turn those up, then it hesitates longer at the end. And here is your chuck. It's an air chuck that goes in and out, and it chucks it on the other end. Right here is your motor for that part. Here's your headstock speed. I haven't got that to work. Everything else seems to work, except that's not hooked up, I guess. So, yeah, everything seems to work okay.